Hello students. So this is a new question to find errors from the pseudocode, and also we need to correct, and then we need to implement a Python program. Actually, this is a number guessing game. An algorithm has been written in pseudocode to select a random number using the function randint of n, which returns a whole number between 1 and the argument, and the algorithm then allows the user to guess the number. So some pseudocode. Find the 4 errors in the pseudocode and suggest a correction to remove each error. So here there are 4 errors. We need to find them. So the first line, here it is an inbuilt function randint. It is used to return to generate some random number integer between 1 and 100. Yeah, it's written here, which returns a whole number between 1 and the argument n, which one randint of n. Okay, that's fine. So inside number, some number will generate by the computer some random integer between 1 and 100. So that number is a secret number. Okay, so the user need to find that that number. Okay, so total try is set to 1 because at the end the system need to display the number of guesses. So fine. Next, repeat. So repeat until is used. Post condition loop. So prompt message print enter your guess number. It must be a whole number. Okay. So input guess. So guess is the user's number. So here, in the case of number guessing name, our guess number is compared with the secret number actually. So if our guess number is bigger, then it will show the message too large. Okay, if it is less than, it is below, our guess number is lower than the secret number, then it will print the message too small to try again, like that. Okay, then at the end it will print the number of how many guesses you made. But here some errors are there. Here input guess. Okay, so actually here we need to compare our guess number with the secret number. Secret number means here number. Okay, so this is the first error, total try. This is not total try, this is guess. So if guess greater than number, then too large. That is our secret, our guess number is too large. Try again, it will print that message. Then if here guess greater than number, so another second error. Here if guess number, if it is less than the secret number, then print too small. So second error with this greater than should be less than. Okay. Then total try. So the system need to count how many try, how many guesses. Yeah. The user made. So total try actually it is totaling. Total try is set to total try plus 1. It is not guess plus 1. That's another error. Total try. It is set to total try plus 1. So third error. Then the final error. Here, in the case of this repeat until, system will stop, this loop will stop when the condition becomes true. So when the condition becomes true, when guess number is equal to the number, secret number, if both are same. So the system will stop when guess equal to number. When guess equal to number. Okay. Then here we need to decrement one total try. Why? Because here total try is set to 1. Yeah. So if it is 1, what we can input the first guess. Okay, fine. Then the guess total try increment to 2 inside this repeat until, then it comes here. Yeah. So when total try becomes 2, here it comes here, and we can input the second guess now. number. But when our number matches with when our guess matches with the secret number, then what happened? It will stop here. So before this condition, total try increment to 1, yeah. So we need to reduce that try because we already found that number. Understand? So we need to reduce 1. So this is fine. This is right. That's why here we need to reduce 1. Because we already found that number here. We got it. So no need to increment the last one. So we need to decrement. After increment, we need to decrement. Okay. Then it will print the number of guesses that is total try. Okay. So the first error, it's line. It's in line. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is if total try greater than number. That's error statement. So the correction is it's not total try, it is guess. Okay. Total try, okay, fine. No, so it's very important, don't put space in between variable names, identifiers. Okay. So it's ignored. Okay, fine. Next. Second error. This one, yeah. If guess greater than number, that is this error here. Error 2 in line 7, 8, 9, 10. So here also how we can correct this error is guess less than number. Okay. Then the next third error, total try equal to total try plus 1. Totaling. So this is 10, yeah. Line number 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Line 14 is total try. It is guess plus 1. It's written like that. Okay, so that's error. So we need to correct total try. Okay. It is total try plus 1. Okay. Then the final error, 15, line 15. So until guess not equal to number. So this is not equal to symbol in pseudocode. Okay. So the correction is until what guess equal to. Okay, fine. This is equal to. So if guess and number are equal, then it will stop until guess equal to number. So in some pseudocode, they use equal to in the instead of this arrow. Okay. So equal to in the place of this arrow, that is assignment operator. So in such cases, we need to use double equal to in comparison here in this place. But here, this question is already what it's arrow symbol for assignment. So we need to use single equal to for comparison operator. So this is comparison. Okay. So until guess equal to number. Okay, fine, finish. Then we need to implement this program in Python. So file new. So here we need to generate, okay, some random number in Python. Look, here there is inbuilt import random, then number equal random dot random. So here it's from 1 to 50. So here the same import random library. So we need to store a number, yeah. So it's number equal to random dot rand int from 1 to 100 here. So we need to change it to 100, 50 to 100. That's all, okay. So this is an inbuilt function. So this is a library from we need to import first random library. Then by using that random library, we can use a function random, and we can the system can automatically generate some random number integer between here 1 and 100. Then in Python program, we need to use while loop, yeah. While. So condition is just opposite, yeah. Here until guess equal to number. So here and while guess not equal to this symbol, yeah, in Python. Number, but guess we need to set some value. Okay. So it's from only 1 to 100, yeah. So we can set some guess to 0. Why? Because at first the system need to enter inside this, yeah. The condition becomes true. So 0 not equal to number is true. So it will enter because number will not be a zero, become 0. Why? Because we need to system need to generate a number between 1 and 100 only. That's why. So 0 is outside. So this condition becomes true. So it will enter inside this while loop. Then some message. Okay. Like this. Print. Not print, we can use directly guess, yeah. Guess is equal to int of input. Enter your guess. Now it must be a whole number. So you can try enter a number. Enter a guess. Enter your guess. So you can type that prompt, yeah, message. Enter your guess now, etc. etc. Okay. It must be a whole numbers. It must be a whole number. So okay. Then so I already stored this guess here. Okay. Here, look, guess. Okay, fine. Then message condition checking. If so, this is not auto try. This is guess. If guess greater than number, if guess greater than number, so we need to close this bracket 2 times. Yeah, that's why it's look. It comes here a lot, lots of indentation. So some error is there. So that's here. We need to close this 2 times. That's why. Okay. Those 2 open brackets are there. Fine. That's okay. Okay. Then we need to print the message too large. Try again. Okay. Then under if guess So what's the next mistake here? We need to correct like this: less than number, less than number. Space is not needed, but you can put space if needed in between this and this. It's no problem with that. Okay. So if you put like this, no problem. It's okay. It's not a syntax error or logic error. It's not no problem with that. So if this greater than number, colon is must syntax. If you not put colon, if you when you forgot to put colon here, actually it is a syntax error. Okay. Then it's because then print too small. Try again. Yeah, the same message but small. Too small. Try again. So we can save this. It's very important to save in between every 2, 3, or 5 minutes, because if any problem happens, then we need to start from the beginning. So it is guess. Then we need to increment this total in total try. Outside if total try. Oh, we need to set one. Yeah, I forgot that. Okay, fine. Total try equal to 1. Okay, fine. So total try we need to increment equal to total try plus 1. Okay, like this. The next, so we already use this condition. Yeah, then we need to decrement one total try. Okay, which is outside this while this repeat while loop. Yeah, so here total try equal to total try minus 1. Okay, then print number of guesses. So when you guess the correct number, then it will print this message. Total try. So the game finish only when you input the correct number. Okay, up to that, what happened? The process, the game will repeat, okay, continuously until you input the correct number, the correct secret number. Then finally, it will print the number of guesses. So actually, here we have to put a bracket. Okay, fine. Then we can check any problem is there. Okay, we can input one number 50. Too small. 50 to so what? I mean, we can use a middle number. That is good. Too large. So what's the meaning of that? Number is in between 50 and 75. So take a middle value. So I am using binary search, that logic. So it's very easy to find. So 50 to 75, 25. So half of 25, 12.5. So 50 plus 12, 62. You can take 63 or 62, no problem. Too large. So the number is in between 50 and 63. So 50 to 63, approximately 12 or 13. 50, 56, because half of 13, 6.5, 6. So 56. Too large means number in between 50 to 56. So half 53. So it may be, it should be in between 51 or 52. Number either 52 or 51. What about 51? Yes, look, that's right. So 7 guesses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, right. Okay. So the program is right. So this is that pseudocode. Okay. Thank you.